Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Robinhood, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Robinhood website or download the mobile app from your app store. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your password to ensure it matches the one you've chosen. Click sign up to move to the next step. You will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and follow the link provided. Once verified, return to the app or website to continue the registration. Provide your first and last name, date of birth, and your residential address. Answer the questions regarding your employment status and financial situation. Select your investment experience level from the available options. You will also need to provide your social security number for identity verification. Read through and agree to Robinhood's terms and conditions. Double-check that all the information you've entered is accurate. Once confirmed, submit your registration form. You may be asked to complete additional identity verification steps. After your account is created, you will receive a notification of successful registration. Link your bank account to fund your Robinhood account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details securely. Once linked, you can transfer funds to start investing. Congratulations, you're all set to explore and use Robinhood for your investment needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.